All right, starting again. The Curio brand, 24 grams. We've got the one that they made with Damien's recipe here, which is 50 grams. And we've got the one that we found that we had freeze-dried in Yandina, which is 14 grams. The difference in fragrance between our freeze-dried one and the Curio brand is amazing. The freeze-dried really has retained the smell and the aromats. It's probably just the process, not the recipe. We're going to do we're going to make a fresh green curry using his fresh paste. And at the end, we've got the Curio sample they made for us, which includes the coconut milk powder, the sugar and the salt. So in a minute, we're going to put all 5 on and try it all.
Amazing.
All right, we're also using 200 grams of beef offcuts, which we've already braised, but this is just to give us an idea. So that's all looking good. This is the green Damien's recipe with the curry powder, sugar and salt added from the factory. We're going to simmer out our beef. So Damien's now cooking the Curio powder, which was bought off the shelf in Thailand. This one is Damien's curry recipe with coconut powder, sugar and salt. This is the Curio off the shelf, just with coconut cream at the moment, or coconut milk. This is the Damien's curry paste recipe, just dried at the Curio factory.
Microwave dried.
Microwave dried, which we're going to add now to the coconut cream, and we'll add sugar, we'll add salt and the beef. And then in this one, we've got our freeze-dried curry powder from Yandina, which we're going to also add just sugar and salt to, and just have a taste difference between the two. The smell difference between them is amazing. The freeze-dried curry powder that we made, even though it's the same recipe, is way more aromatic, but we think that's because of the process. It's coarser because I didn't grind it down.
No, okay.
Yeah.
That's fine as well.
Yeah. So Damien just added the 50 grams of the Curio recipe, or Damien's Curio recipe.
Microwave dried.
And he just thinks it might have thickened the 200 ml up. Oh, you can add a bit of water to it too,
Yeah,
don't you?
I'm going to do that.
Yeah, mate. Do you want to take some of this water?
Oh,
This is the this is our curry powder from the freeze-dry factory here in Yandina. We only had 14 grams of it to test though. So Damien's actually added 200 mils of water to his 50 grams of curry powder as per the instructions. We think 50 grams is probably just too much. Maybe half of it would have been fine. So once again, guys, Curio powder from the shelves of Bangkok, 200 ml coconut milk, sugar and salt, beef. This one is Damien's curry paste recipe, which was dried by Curio, and we've added 200 ml of coconut milk, 200 ml of water because we used 50 grams, it was too much, and sugar and salt. Number 3, this is our curry paste freeze-dried here in Yandina, which we've added 200 ml of coconut milk, sugar and salt to. And this product here, this is the complete Curio product, Damien's paste recipe, Damien's paste recipe, coconut powder, milk powder, and sugar and salt. And now we'll try it. Okay, so the verdict we have, the one that was freeze-dried in Yandina a year ago is the best. It's still fragrant. Then we follow this by the Curio product, which they added the coconut milk powder, sugar and salt. That's still really good. Then we come to this one, which was the curry paste Damien's recipe, which they dried and packaged at Curio. The problem was they probably 50 grams was added as per their instructions. It probably only needed half that. So it's just too strong, but that's just simply a matter of getting the dose right. And the one we didn't like the most, no offense, was the Curio product from the shelves in Bangkok. You can see the difference in color too. We've gone from brown, which is the straight Curio branded product, all the way through to green, green and green.